Oscar got there first.
Get it. Get it. Get it, dog. Get that, let it. Rip it up. Oh, shit. This is getting so real.
Oscar's like, fuck you. Now, Oscar, go back.
Be a real nigga. What you doing? What you doing? Be a real nigga.
Being polite.
Amen. Oh.
Alright, again. Round 2. Come on. Again. Oscar said, fuck it. Let's legit have it.
He's like, you kiss my ass.
You just see him in the back.
He really said that right there. He really said that. He paused and everything. You could kiss my ass. Yo, Oscar's a G, son. He's a fucking G. Like, this nigga's like, yeah, I won, yeah.
Nom 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 nom. Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom.
Do do do